busy day, we see the right of the Filipino to refine source of direction with culture and tradition, where we develop hand in hand with our family and community, the hope of our future and our paradigm to prosperity. As the wind blows today, we raise the banner of education for the students of this generation to take pleasure in knowledge and wisdom, the one interaction among all big and small, where there is no